Hello everyone and welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are doing a special review. We are reviewing the Amazon Fire HD 10 with Alexa tablet. So let's open up the wrapping here and see what we got. So, fast and responsive with full HD display, brilliant 10-inch 1080 HD display, which is 1920 by 1200, up to 1.8 GHz quad-core processing. By the way guys, if you're interested in this product, you can buy it from a link in my description for a special price for a good deal. So make sure you check out the link in my description where you can get this from a safe, legit seller, because there are a lot of knockoffs and you do not want to buy a knockoff because you're going to be extremely disappointed. Why would you want to save $10 to get a knockoff when this is a great price to start and it's the original? 2.2 gigabytes of RAM, long-lasting battery, up to 256 of expandable storage for offline viewing. Wow. Designed for widescreen entertainment, videos, games, and web content. Look and sound amazing with more than 2 million pixels. Wow. Stereo speakers, Dolby audio, seamlessly stream your favorite TV shows, movies with dual band 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. Massive selection of content. Shop millions of movies, TV shows, songs, Kindle books, magazines, Android apps with Prime membership. Just ask Alexa. Great for the whole family. Wow. Exclusive features only available from Amazon. So you guys will have the Amazon link where you can only get the exclusive features. So let's go ahead and let's open up the package. So, first off we see the tablet. Nice, simple design. Very nice size. So you can see you have a camera up here and a camera up in the corner up here. You got Amazon on the back. Very nice. And of course it comes with some supplies. So, Amazon Fire welcome. It looks like a bunch of stuff to go over. You have a little manual. Just shows you how to do stuff, so turn it on and off and so forth. You got your nice Amazon USB charging port, and you got the USB cord. Alright guys, stay tuned. So I'm not sure if it's charged at all yet, but we are going to power it on and see. Okay. I'm not sure if you have to press and hold or just press it. I was pressing and hold it, so that might be. Alright, we don't need this one light on, so we don't have to have that glare. I think you guys can see just fine. So, this is the first official turn on. We have not tested it out yet at all. So I'm going to go through the whole setup and show you guys everything afterwards. Okay, so we just got everything updated, so I'm not quite sure with what we can do. There's a lot of stuff to do, so we're gonna just search up here, see if we can find YouTube, and I guess so. Internet's pretty fast and we're pretty far away. Actually, in fact, we only have like 1 bar, if that. So let's see, let's do. How do we go? Do we press that? Maybe not. Up here, search. So here is the channel. Let's see. So we have basically 2 bars, I think. Let's see how it works. What's up, guys? Welcome to Scott's Honest Review. Something a little creepier that I normally don't do. Wow, you can turn the volume up loud. Decided to do it this time. So we have a Halloween or... Can we make it bigger? Scary mask, you know, purge mask, whatever mask you want to call it. And as you guys are about to see, it is creepy. Okay, so if we slide down, no, wrong way. What is this? Use dark theme. Okay. Whoa. So if we slide down. Okay. Wow. So everything seems really fast. I think if we use this to go back, I think that goes back. I think, yes, that goes back. What does circle do? Goes home. That brings up your browsers and whatever else you have up. So yeah, overall I'm extremely happy. Quality's great. Everything works great. It's very big, which is fine by me. Just yeah, overall a very nice tablet. I definitely give it a 9 out of 10. Everything works great. It runs great. There's no pausing or freezing. So much stuff you can do. So I'm excited to see what else. And you know, you can up your screen brightness pretty bright. We don't need it that bright. So yeah, very happy about it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment. Link is in the video description where you guys can get this for a great price. Thanks, guys. Take care. Hey guys, I wanted to stop and take a very quick break and ask if you guys could hit that like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. It is very hard to grow these days, and if you could do that, that would mean so much to me. I really do appreciate it.